Hi everyone, welcome back to Crafting with Kate, and today we'll be making this card, quick simple card for today. So I've got my mats and layers, go like that. So what I'm using is dandelion wishes, and I need, where is it? I need this one today. You know, so I'm going to use Wisteria Wonder. Mixy matchy. Oof, that might be a bit juicy though. No? There we go. I'm going to have some of these down at the bottom. It doesn't matter if they go a bit further up because we're putting some ribbon. There we go. And I made a wish, you came true. Like so. So we'll get our ribbon. I hate this stuff. Like so. And then you want some gluage on the back. Glue down your ribbon. And glue this down on your base. Like so. Then get a little piece of ribbon, tuck it under.
Sorry, I don't know that word.
Just do a knot. Oh, ecky thumb. I have to tidy that up, I don't like that. And then a couple of diamantes. And there you go. In black and in Wisteria Wonder. So hope you like it. Like, share, subscribe guys. It'd be awesome. Hit the notification bell down there. It will help me out loads. And I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.